Hi everyone, in this video you will learn that how to fix since of Solar Empire 2 keeps crashing on your PC. Guys, why this happen? Because a lot of processes are running on your PC background, cause a lot of the CPU usage or the RAM usage. I will show you the multiple method to fix these problems. You just need to try them one by one and see which fixes your problem, and these settings are very important. You need to apply in your PC. So first, simply restart your PC. Sometimes simple restart will fix your problem because it can close a lot of processes running on your PC background. Once you restart your PC, right click on your taskbar and open up the task manager. Now here just go to the startup apps on the top, and guys, here you will see all the application that will run on your PC when you start your PC, and this application will start automatically without your permission and cause lot of CPU usage or RAM usage or the lot of your PC bandwidth usage, and this application will consume lot of your system resources which will cause your game crash. After you disable all of these, now we are going to set the high performance power plan. So you can go to the Windows setup here, the control panel, and open it. Now just click on the view by and select it to the large icons and click on the power options. Now here on the left hand side, you will see the option to create a power plan. Now here you can select a high performance power plan. If you have the PC, click on the next option and click on the create. If you have the laptop, then you can select the balance. Guys, once you create the power plan, so it will also increase your FPS. Now we are going to increase our RAM. So you can go to the Windows tab, here the view advanced system setting and open it. Now here go to the advanced tab, click on the setting. Now go to the advanced tab. Now here just simply click on the change option you are seeing under the virtual memory. Now here you can just simply uncheck this box or the automatically select the C where your operating system is installed. Click on the custom size, then go to the Windows tab where the calculator and open it. Now guys, we are going to increase our virtual memory. Our disk space is used instead of our RAM. Whenever our game needed more resources, more RAM, more CPU to run, our disk space is used instead of our RAM. I hope you guys understand. And guys, if you have the 8 GB of RAM, then you can multiply it with the constant value, which is the 1024, and type this value in the initial size. And then you can multiply this value with the 3 and type this value in the maximum size. Once you do that, now if you have the 16 GB of RAM, then you can multiply it with the 1024, type this in the initial size. If you and multiply it with the 3, type this in the maximum size. If you have the 4 or the 32 GB RAM, then you can also do the same steps. Then simply click on the set option, click on the OK, click on the apply. Now guys, we are going to increase our number of processors, which will increase our CPU. So it will also fix any crashing issues. Now go to the Windows setup, here the system configuration and open it. Now go to the boot option you are seeing on the top, then click on the advanced option. Now guys, here you will see the number of processors, so you just need to check this, and now just click on that, and here you just need to select the maximum number of processors. If you will see here the 8 or the 16, 32, any number, just select it, click on the apply, then click on the OK, then just simply restart your PC. After the restart, you can launch the game, and I hope after all of the setting, your problem, all the crashing or the lagging problem will be fixed in the Sins of Solar Empire 2 game. So if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.